Where can you not just sprinkle AI everywhere? Like AI sprinkling, or like whenever there's a new buzzword, you just kind of like sprinkle it and you say, you need this or you need that. And like it changes every couple of years.
Yes.
What makes AI here to stay? Like where do you feel like it's most useful? And how do you think it applies for different size businesses and if it changes in any way?
So there is a lot of hype, right? This is a hype word. There's a lot of buzz going around it. The only difference is the impact of the technology is going to be drastic. It's kind of when mobile became a buzzword and everybody tried to build an app. Everybody had something to do with mobile.
Yeah.
Investors started jumping on mobile apps. Every software tried to be mobile friendly.
It's a buzzword that prevailed. We all have mobile apps.
Exactly.
That's how we
So, but now everybody's got
function.
a mobile device, and it's here to stay for quite some time until other devices start to replace it. AI is kind of in the same picture. According to analytics, we're going to have artificial intelligence ingrained in almost everything we have surrounding us within a matter of 2 to 3 years. So Internet of Things, you're going to have smart fridges, you're going to have smart homes. All the tools around you are going to somehow interact with one another using some sort of machine learning, natural language processing, deep learning, computer vision, right? So a lot of tools are going to be upgrading. Today, even products that investors invest into, if they don't have AI of some sort of level AI baked into their product, they don't even want to look at it.